Hello and welcome to Release the Stress of the Day meditation. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Luba and I will be your meditation guide today. In today's meditation, I will guide you to use a simple body scan so you can relax, ground and center yourself and release the mental and physical stress of the day. There is so much healing that happens just by letting go and listening to our body with love. And meditation is such a great tool to help us with that. It is like a quick vacation or a magical healing treatment where you can reconnect with yourself, with your inner world, and with your own body, and from which you'll emerge more whole and empowered to be your best self. So find your comfortable position, whatever position feels right for your body at this time. You can sit comfortably or lay down, where you can easily relax and let go. And take a minute to settle in. Maybe you need to shift your body or stretch gently to let your body know that you're going into a relaxation state. And have no expectations, no demand on yourself. Just a fun adventure to the world where everything is possible, where for a short period of time you give yourself permission to leave all your worries behind, all your to-do lists, so you can fully be present with this moment. And begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Just simply notice your breath as it moves in and out. With each inhale, feel yourself expanding. And with each exhale, allow yourself to let go and relax. Notice the sensations of your breath. Feel how it gently touches your nostrils. Feel the temperature of the air you breathe in. Now I invite you to start deepening your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, pulling the energy into your body. And exhale through your mouth with a big sigh, releasing and letting go of all the stress and tension in your body. Again, inhale deeply and exhale through your mouth with a big sigh, softening, letting go. Inhale slowly and deeply to the bottom of your belly. And exhale, emptying your lungs completely. Allowing any resistance to melt away. One more time, inhale deeply. Grounding into your body, and exhale through your mouth, letting go and relaxing even more. Continue breathing naturally and begin to pay attention to the sensations in your body. There is an ever-changing universe of sensations, tinglings, aches, fatigue, and deliciousness of restfulness. Notice how good it feels to close your eyes and simply rest and sink into gravity. Gently scan your body and notice any places that feel any kind of discomfort or pain or feel tight or constricted. Letting go of judgment here, just noticing where do you need support. Now I invite you to imagine a beautiful light coming up from above and surrounding your body. This light can be whatever color feels most healing for you. It has the ability to bring healing and relaxation wherever it goes. Envision this light swirling around you. Breathe in this healing light. On your next inhale, imagine bringing this light into the top of your head and letting it flow down over you like a warm bath water. Relaxing your mind, relaxing your forehead, your eyelids, the space behind your eyes, your tongue, your jaw, relaxing the muscles of your neck. Feel your entire face soften and relax. Continue to breathe deeply and allow this relaxing light to move down to your shoulders, releasing and melting away any tension or heaviness of your shoulders, making you feel lighter and freer. Now letting this healing light move down to your arms, your forearms, the palms of your hands. Breathe deeply, inviting the healing light gently spread into your chest area, your heart. Feel it moving into your lungs and spreading out and bringing relaxation deeper and deeper into your body with each exhale. Relaxing now all the muscles on your back, releasing and softening any tension between your shoulder blades in your lower back. Now let the warmth of this light pull all the way down into your lower belly. The healing light helps you to release any stress in your body, relaxing your belly. You have the ability to let it all go, and it's completely safe for you to do so. Breathe deeply and invite the healing light all the way down to your hips and your legs. Feel the relaxation move into your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, all the way down to your tippy toes. Now allow the light to move to any part of your body that needs extra attention and extra support to bring the relaxation and soothing in that area. When you are ready, take another moment to savor the tranquility and inner harmony you have cultivated during this practice. Just relax and let it all flow. Now let's take a few minutes to gently transition from this meditation. Think for a moment about your experience. Notice how you feel now versus when you started this practice. Did anything change or shift? How does your body feel? How do you feel inside? Take a minute to reflect. When you're ready, take a deep cleansing breath. Bring your attention to your body, to the environment around you, and maybe gently start moving your body. Give yourself a little gentle stretch, maybe circle your neck or your shoulders, or wiggle your fingers and toes. Open and close your eyes a couple of times to make a bridge between the inner and outer world. Take another deep breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, you can return to this meditation whenever you feel the need to restore your energy and connect back home to yourself. And give yourself a big thanks for showing up to this practice, for taking time out of your busy life to take care of yourself on a deeper level, and allow yourself to rest deeply and release the stress of the day. If you like this meditation, please give me your thumbs up. If you like to download this meditation to your device, click on the link in the description and download it from my website. Thank you for practicing with me. Sending love and blessings from my heart to yours. Until next time.